Alright, so Maria, you've got a microphone on your lap for you and Ralph to share. Gotta hold it up to your lips though, like a rock star.
Hello.
Aloha. Then Luca, and is it pronounced Eliza? Am I pronouncing that right?
Aloha.
I pronounced that okay? Aloha. You two share that microphone. And Peter, you've got a microphone to share with Louise. Yeah, it's an interactive tour. You can talk to each other, ask questions, sing along with the music. It's all good. Mics though will be off for a couple minutes as we depart the airport. And I'm Scott, you guys. Now before we get going on the air tour, did everybody see the safety video? Any questions about it? Alright, let's go have some fun then. I want to turn off those microphones for a couple of minutes as we depart. I'll let you know when they're on again, and we'll be airborne shortly.
On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the inland to the leeward side. Mama's in the kitchen cooking dinner real nice. Beef stew on the stove, love the salmon with the ice. We eat and drink and we sing all day. Kanikapila in the old Hawaiian way. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. We go grandma's house on the weekend, clean yard, 'cause if we don't go, grandma gotta work hard. You know my aloha, aloha, yeah. I'm right there, aloha, yeah. Aloha, aloha, yeah. I'm right there, aloha, yeah. There's no place I'd rather be, lingering in the ocean blue. I surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon, flying by on the Hawaiian roller coaster ride. Hiki hiki mairo hirohi, la 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 ita la hana hana heri heri mai tatu e. There's no place I'd rather be, on golden sand is where I live. I play till the sun sets beyond the horizon. It's time to try the Hawaiian roller coaster ride. Hang loose, hang thin, hop, shaka, shaka. No worry, no pain, no biggie rara. Cutting in, cutting up, cutting back, cutting out. Right side, back side, put it right out. Let's get the jumping, steps up, pumping, coasting with the motion of the ocean. Whirlpool swirling, cascading, swirling.
Hawaiian roller coaster.
vai tature.
Hawaii roller coaster ride.
Okay, everyone, we are on our way. We're starting to get clear of the Lihue airspace now. And I have turned your microphones back on again. I will do plenty of talking during the flight. But just remember that it's not meant to be a lecture. It is an interactive tour, and you can feel free to use your microphones. Just one thing to keep in mind, though, I might not hear everything you say. You're going to be competing with the voices in my head. Now, no cause for alarm. The voices come from the radios. They come from other pilots and air traffic control. And at times the radios do get very, very busy. So, if you say something to me during the flight and I don't respond, it just means that I didn't hear you. I will do my best. But if I miss any questions during the flight, please be patient with me. Just give me a few moments and then try me again. Alright, let's get a little bit better acquainted. It appears that Maria, Ralph, Louise, and Peter are together. Alright, where are you four from?
New Jersey.
New Jersey? Alright, the Garden State, or the Garden Island. I guess you guys will fit in just fine. Welcome, you four. And we have Eliza and Luca. How about you two? Where are you two from?
Italy.
From Italy. Yeah, I went on my honeymoon in Rome and Venice.
This is our honeymoon.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
That's wonderful. How about you four? Any special occasion bring you guys, or just a vacation? Gotta hold it up to your lips.
First time vacation.
A what kind of vacation?
First time vacation. In Hawaii.
Okay. Well, it's great to have you with us. I'm Scott, everybody. I've been flying helicopters about 18 years. Got started flying in the U.S. Army. 8 years in the Army flying Blackhawks. 10 years and counting now as a civilian pilot. I've been flying air tours in the islands for Blue for more than 7 years. I'll take good care of you today. The plan for the flight this afternoon is pretty straightforward. We're going to fly all across Kauai. We're going to look at the most beautiful parts. Yeah, it's a gorgeous place. Much of the beauty of the island, though, goes largely unseen. Only about 30% of the island is accessible by road. About 70% inaccessible. Well, today I'm going to help you fill in many of the gaps. And there'll probably be some areas where the air gets a little bit bumpy, and that's normal. As the winds interact with this terrain, it can get a little bumpy in areas. And we'll try to make the flight as smooth as possible. If it does get bumpy though, just relax and try to think of it as a little extra thrill at no extra charge. When we arrive at scenic highlight areas, I'm going to slow down and make turns to show those areas out both sides so that everyone aboard gets a look. And our first scenic highlight area is almost upon us. It's called Hanapepe Valley, and you might recognize it from the movie Jurassic Park. Specifically, a scene in the film where the billionaire brings the paleontologist to his island for the first time. In that scene, they fly in his private helicopter